Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's not even hot, is it? Not even hot. Not even hot.
Dude, you're at 10 seconds.
Oh my god.
No, it's you still have 40 seconds. Yeah, dude, you still have 30 seconds.
Bad idea.
It's not even red. I'm starting to perspire.
20 seconds.
Give me a countdown.
15. 10. 9.
Enjoy the burn.
7, 6,
Don't burp.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're good.
Oh man. I just saw them. They were like, oh my gosh, it's cold. They were covered in blankets. They were so cold after.
Cold afterwards? They heated you up and then cooled you down?
Yeah.
I tell you, if you eat something, it's better. If
They
you
said
eat
it makes it worse.
No, if you eat something, it takes it away.
Eat some cheese balls.
He ate them with a pizza on a pizza bite.
Well,
They made him wait 60 seconds till he could eat something or drink something. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around.
Jump around.
No. What happened to your music, Dan? Your battery died?
No, I just stopped it.
Oh.
is it still going?
Yeah.
This is funny.
That's all I got, folks.
That's gonna make it worse. It's carbonate. It will. Just wait. You see, I told you. You have to wait till you drink it, and then it's so much worse.
What's next? The cinnamon on the spoon?
Yeah.
Oh.
I never tried that.
I sucked in and it fell down my throat and I started coughing.